Welcome back. Now, amid the political storm over Yogi government's advisory asking all of those eateries along the Kawad Yatra route to display the owner's name, the BJP has defended the move and slammed the opposition's objection of this advisory to create communal divide. BJP is contended that the law requiring the eateries to display names of their owners was passed back in UPA rule in 2006 and it was implemented by the then UP government under Mulayam Singh Yadav. Sharing pictures of the rule during the UPA, the BJP leaders are asking why the opposition today was creating a big fuss when the rule was made by them.
Why so fuss about this Kawad Yatra? Kyun hai bhai? The order just says that everybody has to display the name. May it be Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Jain, Parsi. So what's the problem? Why are you putting it to limiting it to only to Muslims? This is what you call appeasement. And by the way, these food laws were formulated and implemented by the UPA government and the UP government in 2006 only.
इसमें नहीं कहा गया कि मुसलमान लिखेगा, हिंदू नहीं लिखेगा, सबको लिखने का उन्होंने आदेश दिया है, जिससे ये पता चल सके कि कोई घुसपैठिया, कोई गलत काम करने वाला, कोई साजिश रचने वाला, कोई बहरूपिया तो नहीं आ गया है। और मुझे लगता है ये उचित कदम है, इसमें किसी को भी राजनीति करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। लेकिन चूंकि कांग्रेस जो हमेशा हिंदू मुस्लिम की राजनीति करती है, कांग्रेस जो देख नहीं पा रही है कि उसके हाथ से सत्ता निकल गया है, वो कैसे भी सत्ता में आए, इसके लिए वो षड्यंत्र रचती रहती है। मुझे लगता है कि ये लोगों को भड़काने का, भाई से भाई को लड़ाने का ये षड्यंत्र है।
Well, the Congress and its allies, however, hit back saying that while the UPA government brought the regulation keeping in mind food safety, what the BJP was doing was absolute mischief. Opposition has slammed the Yogi government's move, saying that it wants to discriminate in the name and the basis of caste within Hindus and when it comes to religions.
The UPA government had proposed some regulations in the context of food safety. Now, to try and invoke those food safety norms and justify what the UP and the Uttarakhand governments are doing on the Kawad route is absolute mischief, nothing short of bigotry and mischief. Because as per norms, everybody engaged in food businesses has to have a license and present it upon being asked by any government agency. And that, as I said, it's for maintaining the standards of safety of food that we buy and consume.
Earlier also we have seen that BJP is master in doing divisive politics, especially based on religion. They speak about individual food habit, individual dress habit, their individual culture. Surprisingly, we have seen anyone who is wearing a turban, they are Khalistani to them. Anyone wearing a lungi, they are Pakistani to them. This is very unfortunate. And we apprehend that this notice, which has been issued by the UP government, is indirectly another mode of discriminating people based on religion. That is very alarming for the country.
Well, there have been war of words that have been continuing over this advisory that was first just issued for Muzaffarnagar. Now it will be imposed in all of the state of Uttar Pradesh. We'll get you more reactions back after a short break.